Hello, come in. Take a seat.
Hello. Thank you.
Welcome. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 4th March at IELTS Base Camp, and center number is IBC 007. And the candidate is Sadia Islam Sophia. The candidate number is 2301001. And the examiner is Kanis Fatima and examiner number 433816. Good afternoon. My name is Kanis Fatima. Can you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Sadia Islam Cynthia.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Cynthia.
Our topic is friends. And my first question is to you. Why do some people lose contact with their childhood friends?
The reason behind it is that people don't get the chance to be connected with their childhood friends because they in childhood they used to share a strong bonding. When I get older, we lose that connection day by day. The bonding doesn't stay that stronger. That's why we don't get connected with the friends.
Okay, my second question is to you. How do people in your country make friends these days?
There are lots of ways in my country to become friends nowadays. For social media, we can use any app, and we can, if we want to make friends, new friends, we can add new people on our social networking sites and create friendship with them.
Okay, my next question is to you. Why is it hard to maintain friendship?
In my opinion, friendship is all about loyalty, and we need to maintain our friendship. First, we need understanding mindset.
Okay, thank you very much, Cynthia. That's the end of our speaking test.
Thank you, ma'am.